Hello guys, it's your boy Elite_Z24YT here, back again with another video. But today we are doing another vlog. All three of us are vlogging.
3 vloggings and 1 group.
I know, right? Like all three of us are like vlogging. Oh, you already ended your vlog.
No, I didn't. I paused it.
Oh. So guys, I think they're going to we're going to their room. You have seen their room tour before. So on the way to onto the hallway to Harvey's. Not in the hallway, but into the escalators. Hey, let's put the editing. All right. I know, right? That's crazy, but it's pretty inappropriate. To the escalators. Oh, guys. Yeah, all of their channels will be in the description. Guys, I can't believe it. 3 people vlogging at the same time. Oh my gosh. What up, peeps? There's like a blizzard outside there. There's a blizzard. Guys, this is my third time vlogging in public. And how many times have you vlogged in public?
This is my second time.
This is her first time vlogging in public.
So we're doing a vlog
Into the elevators. Actually, not in the elevator, but we're gonna do some walking. Guys, I hope you like that. But we're gonna be in the elevator in 3, 2, 1. Into the elevator, guys. She's supposed to. He is still vlogging.
I paused it.
Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye. Into our room. Guys, just a little update. We have like 34 subscribers. Thank you so much for 34 subscribers. That is right there. So here we go. We have a new Tahoe trip 2017. Like that thumbnail? You like this thumbnail? And that's our new line. Go check out the series. Oh, this video is gonna be in that series. Alright guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this should be my thumbnail. Guys. So we just went to the pool. Yeah, it was pretty amazing. And remember this bathroom? It's nice. It's modern. Ah! It's loud, guys. What's up? You're watching me, watching you, watching me, you're watching you. Oh my god. For real, guys, look how cool this is. Best thumbnail of the month on my channel. So yeah. Now, there's not that much shoutouts, but if you subscribe, make sure you comment down below. And unless you already got a shoutout. So comment down below. I subscribed to get a free shoutout. Well, we need to subscribe, but then you can do it. So yeah, I can't believe you guys like all 3 of the Lake Tahoe trip 2017 videos. We all have over 10 views. Thank you so much, guys, because that really, really, really means a lot to me. I think you guys know the song. Do this. Wait. One of my #1 songs. Change it to a different shirt. Boom. To a different shirt. Nice. What up, guys? They're back. Yep. He's gonna be Vinny Ly. Wait, Vinny Ly's not here. It's gonna be he's here. Wow. Oh my gosh. He's done uploading. Okay, I'm probably gonna do a reaction to it, maybe. So sorry if this was a boring vlog, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, smash that like button. If you want more videos, press that red button down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, the Army. Stop!